If you're searching for a heavy-duty wall mount that offers unbeatable support, sleek design, and hassle-free installation, the Forging Mount Heavy-Duty Fixed TV Wall Mount might just be the best investment you can make for your home theater setup. Designed to support massive TVs ranging from 55 inches all the way up to 120 inches, this wall mount is truly built for those who want both power and elegance behind their entertainment setup. What stands out immediately is the sheer strength and confidence this wall mount delivers. It is crafted from solid heavy-gauge alloy steel with a durable powder-coated black finish, which not only looks sleek, but ensures long-lasting protection against corrosion and wear. This mount is rated to support up to 275 pounds, and in lab tests, it's safely held up to 550 pounds without any signs of strain or damage. That kind of strength gives you serious peace of mind, especially when mounting an expensive flat screen or curved OLED television. Installation is surprisingly straightforward, especially for such a heavy-duty piece of equipment. The mount comes with a clear, image-rich instruction manual and includes a variety of screw sizes, making it compatible with many different TV models. It fits securely on 16-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch wood studs, and is also suitable for concrete and brick walls. One important thing to note is that this mount should not be installed on drywall alone, which is standard advice for any wall mount of this caliber. That said, with the right tools and proper wall support, most users will find the setup process smooth, even for first-timers. Everything is clearly labeled, the instructions are easy to follow, and the parts fit together with precision. Functionally, this mount delivers exactly what you'd expect from a high-quality fixed-wall mount. Once installed, it holds the TV just 1.28 inches from the wall, giving your setup a modern, ultra-slim look. This low-profile design is not only stylish, but it also helps maximize space in your room. Whether you're placing your television in a cozy living room, a media room, a bedroom, or even an outdoor covered patio, the Forging Mount wall bracket blends right in. Safety has been thoughtfully engineered into the design as well. The anti-drop locking mechanism ensures that once your television is mounted, it's not going anywhere. This feature helps prevent accidents, especially in homes with kids or pets. There's also a convenient pull strap system that makes it easy to lock or release the TV from the mount, which is helpful when accessing cables or upgrading your device. In terms of compatibility, this TV mount is incredibly versatile. It supports VESA patterns from 200 by 200 millimeters up to 900 by 600 millimeters, which covers most modern flat screen or curved LED, LCD, plasma, or OLED televisions. That includes premium models from brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, Hisense, Vizio, and more. Before purchasing, it's always a good idea to double-check your TV's VESA pattern, weight, and input location to ensure a seamless fit. Another highlight is the mount's long wall plate, which allows for easier centering of your TV, even if your studs aren't placed exactly where you'd like. That flexibility is a big bonus, especially in older homes where wall framing isn't always perfectly spaced. Customer support is also an area where Forging Mount shines. The company has been focusing on high-end TV brackets for years, and they provide reliable after-sales service. If you have any questions during installation or need assistance afterward, their responsive support team is ready to help. To sum it up, the Forging Mount Heavy-Duty Fixed TV Wall Mount offers the perfect blend of industrial strength, sleek aesthetics, and ease of use. Whether you're mounting an ultra-large TV in your living room or creating the ultimate home theater space, this mount delivers the confidence and stability you need. With its high weight capacity, universal compatibility, slim profile, and smart safety features, it's easy to see why this wall mount has become a top choice for tech-savvy homeowners and AV enthusiasts alike. If you're serious about mounting a large TV the right way, this wall mount is more than up to the task. Durable, dependable, and thoughtfully engineered, the Forging Mount wall mount is built to hold up and look great doing it.